everybody. Welcome to Purple Shamrock Farm. Happy 22 to you all. Haven't been on here for a while, but thought I would take you along with me so you can see all the excitement of the farming, especially doing chores in the rain. Now, I didn't get to do the chores last night, so I have to do it this morning. So come along with me. The first stop is the ducks. They love the rainy weather. Next group to check on is the infamous Terry house. I always have to watch my back with this rooster. He has a tenacious personality for sure. He always wants to attack me. Next, we enter the big coop yard. It has become an absolute rain puddle, but the chickens don't seem to mind. I sometimes wonder if the ducks shouldn't live down here instead of the chickens. Watch how these chickens come outside, check the weather, and turn around and go back in. Next, we go inside the barn to check the grow-out pen and make sure everything is good there. And then we go into the big coop to feed and water and collect eggs. You can see that the chickens have mostly stayed inside today. I don't blame them. And there's our boss hen, 7-year-old Gertie. Not a bad haul for a rainy day. Lastly, we check on the small coop to make sure that they're all taken care of. And we enjoy the view of chickens enjoying lettuce from a local restaurant. So that's a wrap on doing chores in the rain. Happy 22, everybody. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm hoping to be able to post at least twice a month. It's kind of hard trying to do that and work full-time as well. But anyway, come along with me on my farming adventure. You never know what's going to happen next. Until next time.